Hi, it's a Friday, baby. Today is February 21, 2025, and I'm about to run. I'm ready to go, but see, it's raining now here. And it's cold. It's windy. See, it's very windy, and the temperature is 15 degrees. So I'm not sure. I think I will cancel my run for today. A few minutes lang pagkatapos ng ulan, tawag doon, sumisikat na yung araw, tapos nawala na yung ulan kaagad. So siguro itutuloy ko na tong takbong to. Wait lang, ilalagay ko na lang tong cellphone ko sa plastic na dala-dala ko para hindi mabasa. Yan. Ayun lang guys, tatakbo na ako. Tara, let's na, mabilisan lang. Hi, I just arrived now. See, after a minute of rain, now the sun shows up, but the other side here, the sky or the clouds is still dark, and there's a little bit of tiny rain coming down. So I'm not sure what my distance is right now, but I still need to continue. I will just only have a very short run just to, you know, pass the day. So let's go. See, it's wet, but the sun is still shining after the rain, but there's no rainbow. See, the clouds is getting blue. All right, distance check. I've reached 5.31 kilometers, but I cannot show you because I don't know what happened to this one. It's not recording anymore because it should be red so that it will be recording, but now it looks like this. Maybe it's full. It's a little bit struggle, so there. But anyway, I'm just encouraging again everybody or anyone that wants to do running or walking, just do it. Don't wait for anything or any moment. Just do it, do it, do it. There you go guys, take care of yourself because health is wealth, right? So I'm going back home now, but I'm going to run again. Maybe I can still reach 6 kilometers. All right guys, bye. This is John, a caregiver and a runner here in Israel.